Hi everybody. So today's tutorial is about making a small diya, as Diwali is just round the corner. So what better than a diya? As you can see, we take a lot of tiny flowers. We are using paper flowers. You can use satin ribbon flowers or fabric flowers. We have some glue and we also have a small candle holder. You can see that we are using two MDF cutouts in a circular shape. You can also use any old coasters that you're not using anymore or card sheets as the base of the diya. So we have painted these two in contrasting colors of blue and red. We take the two candle holders and paste them on one side of the MDF circle. You can make a diya by pasting them in the center as well, but we put them in an extreme corner. After pasting these candle holders, we take the flowers and arrange them as per contrasting colors or similar colors with the help of glue. Here we have applied the glue in a particular way so that it's easy to adjust the flowers on the base. And the thing about these craft glues is they become translucent after a particular point and you cannot really see them. So it's okay if it's a little overdone on the base. After putting the flowers, we put the beads . And then we move on to put these small mirror beads. They have a flat back, so they can be easily used on the circle, and they kind of embellish the diya and add a little sparkle to it. Just as we made this first diya, you can move on to making the second one, and you can see that we are using completely different colors. So they are nice and bright. Here we have shown you the easiest way to make a diya, and of course now as you must have cleaned for your Diwali, you might have found some unused craft articles. You can all assemble them and make them pretty looking diyas. You can help the kids in the house also to make these diyas. They are super easy. Hope you have really enjoyed this tutorial and you are able to make different diyas, colorful, bright diyas for your Diwali. Now we show you how you can place this diya with other diyas. You can decorate by taking a very nice tray with an ornate looking brass diya on top of it. Sprinkle some flowers here and there, some beads, even some mirrors if you have, and then place this diya in between on the tray. Thank you. You can use the same setting of the tray and the brass diya and place both your diyas there, making your Diwali setting look very pretty. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.